thankful to the chairman that is obviously giving Steve an opportunity. But I think Steve also deserves it because he's graduated. He has matured to a level where he's up for the challenge.
Now, has he been given a mandate or you are about to go and sit down and talk?
No, the mandate obviously is clear, Kaizer Chiefs. Whether you are a coach or well, we are here to win. We are here to please our supporters, to make sure that we give back and we give back to the supporters. And the supporters only want to win. And obviously the success of this team is to give entertaining football and win trophies.
And how difficult was it coming up with a name like Steve? I mean, we heard rumors that the likes of Kroll and other European coaches had applied for the job.
We had big name coaches. We had top coaches, but we looked at a different approach of continuity and making sure that we sustain the journey. And Steve obviously filled a lot of points where we looked at, for instance, the philosophy that we had last season with the coach for the past 3 seasons. To bring in a new coach to change the mentality, to change the systems, to change the approach, and obviously the philosophy. It was going to be difficult. It will take us another year to rebuild the team, but we wanted continuity. Obviously, Steve understanding the culture of the club, understanding also the history in South Africa, and also knowing the league and the challenges in the league and the players we have. Obviously, it's going to include some new players and intakes, but definitely understands the culture and the standard of the game in South Africa.
Well, it doesn't stop here. You also need to fill a couple of spots. Have you spoken to the coach? Have you sat down maybe?
Definitely, we have engaged him. We have engaged him on the plans going forward. That's why today we're having a meeting first time with the technical staff to take them through the plans, and he'll also be part of those decision making when we're going to unfold the new players coming in.
Okay. So there are players already?
No, the players coming in. The players definitely coming in. We've discussed some few pointers with him, and definitely we are beefing.
Mr. Mutaung, I mean, many would see Steve's appointment as a gamble because he hasn't won any trophies since he was in the game. Would you admit or say that it is a gamble?
It's always a gamble hiring a coach. Maybe Stuart Baxter didn't have trophies when he came here. He was with Bafana, he didn't achieve, and we were criticized for that. But I think the structures and the environment would allow him. There's an opportunity for him now to win trophies. That's the hunger that we wanted. Somebody who doesn't come cocky and arrogant. We wanted somebody to come in who will be hungry to bring the trophies. I mean, Stuart came here, he had no trophies, and he left with trophies, and obviously it gave him a status. And Steve deserves it as well. Looking at his background and where he comes from with football, he deserves to also earn some trophies. And the environment here will allow him and give him that opportunity.
Mr. Mutaung, just to get the sense of how good Steve was or the presentation was, which other coaches was he going head to head with, especially when you look at international
people? I think it will be a good disrespect to them because they didn't get the job. But definitely they were top coaches. Some are national coaches, some are club international coaches, so some even locally as well. So I think it's an opportunity for him now. We want to celebrate Steve.
Thanks.